Hey guys, it's Josh with another video, and today we'll be unboxing the Core i7-10700KF. This is an unlocked chip, and this is LGA socket 1200. This CPU has 8 cores and 16 threads, and since it's a F SKU as well, it will require discrete graphics. Now going to the side of the box, the back of the box, we can see the actual CPU, and it shows the contents in all sorts of languages. And yeah, without further ado, let's open the box. So once we open the box, we understand that there's no cooler at all, but usually case SKUs require a more powerful cooler since this is 125 TDP. So let's open it up. When you open the box, you have three things. First, we have the Intel processor sticker, same with guide. Then we have the datasheet of material declaration, and we also have the actual CPU. Now if we open it, it has a base clock of 8.8 gigahertz, which can be boosted up to 5.1. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe. Josh is out.